Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and coming with the Sport Package, giving you some unique alloy rims there, magnetic accents, and some unique interior features. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking into the back, we have seating for 3 comfortably, which can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And the black cloth seats are part of the Sport Package as well. In the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio series and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Above that, you have your camera view, again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats so you can stay cozy. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport. Then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, we have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as having this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have a USB and USB-C in this large cubby area. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears and can be folded flat out of the way for some more open space here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C so you can plug something in from there too. And then last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.